Well, hello and welcome to day 10 of this spring reboot. And today I'd like to give you just 3 simple actions that you can do to help regulate your nervous system. So as your body is trying to basically acclimatize into this new season of spring, there needs to be also a reset and an adaptation of our nervous system. So the first action I want to share with you is kind of in a continuation of working with our liver, where we talked about the fact that in the liver the emotions of anger, frustration, resentment become trapped and accumulate. And so a simple thing to regulate the nervous system and kind of have these emotions instead of being trapped in a way in your liver, to be released. A simple release technique is actually what we as humans tend to do naturally. For instance, if there is a child, a baby crying, naturally our intuition is to go shh, shh. And this sound that you do is actually directly impacting your liver, and it is allowing the release of this trapped emotion. So super simple first technique, just shh, very simple. The second one is also to do with using the power of your voice, and either you are going to be toning or humming, whatever feels natural to you, and this will allow to make your internal tissue vibrate basically. And when you do that for maybe just 2 minutes, it actually also helps to regulate your nervous system. So whatever, I mean, it could be just and even the other big well-known humming is actually to use Om. So starting with a big inhale, Om. This one is actually perfect because you're using both toning and humming. So very regulating, and whenever you want to recenter, feel the balance and just calm down the nervous system, very simple one, very well known, but again, do we think about it? And the third last action I want to share with you is something you can do whenever you are close to water, is to basically, it's to use the power of the cold and the water. So a splash of cold water on your face to basically reset your nervous system. And the other one is one I do at the end of a hot shower. I actually like to either splash myself or literally take the temperature down to having cold water all over my body, and this also helps to regulate your nervous system. So this nervous system, one of the main the largest channel is called the vagus nerve, and so the 3 actions that I've described to you, especially the last one with the cold shower, is perfect to regulate your vagus nerve. So I hope that will be helpful. Again, very simple technique that you can use now in the spring, and even something you can keep in your toolbox for the rest of the year. Take care, see you tomorrow.